Hey guys, it's Allison. Today I'm going to show you how to perfect your brows using our Busy Gal Brows Tinted Brow Gel. My brows right now are looking a little rough. I haven't gotten them done, so they for sure need some lovin'. And I'm going to time myself just so you can see how quick and easy it is to use this product. So I'm actually using the shade Medium Brown. I like to switch back and forth between this and taupe, but recently I've liked my brows to look a little darker and I already have like kind of dark brow hair, so this is perfect for me. I'm going to start my stopwatch right meow and going. And since I have really long brow hairs, I like a more feathered brow rather than a super defined. Mm-hmm. 45 seconds to do both my brows. I think that's pretty impressive. We all want our brows to look great and effortless with taking no time, and this is just really perfect for that. I've done this on the subway. You can just throw this on before a date, before you go to the gym, whatever. It's waterproof. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little brow tutorial using our Busy Gal Brows. Comment down below how long you take to do your brows, or let me know what takes you the longest. I feel like we all have that one thing that we focus on in our beauty routine, so I'd love to know yours. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!